So, yung withdrawal natin guys, yung first withdrawal natin is itong USDT Tether, dumating na yung withdrawal natin in just 12 hours. So, pidutin natin yan. Wait lang. Okay, punta sa Coins.ph. Ito yung withdraw natin, dumating na siya. No, in just 12 hours. So, ito transfer natin yan sa peso. So, pidutin natin yung Tether and then yung buy. And then, isi-sell natin siya kasi i-convert natin siya sa peso. So, ima-max na natin. Okay, ayan yung makukuha natin. So, isi-sell na natin. So, confirm. Meron lang siya 32 at may, yan. Yung rate ngayon is 57.97 yung rate dollar. So, confirm lang natin. Okay, successful. Okay, 0 na siya, pero nandito na siya sa peso account natin. So, dahil peso account na siya, isi-send na natin sa GCash. Cash out. Ayan, and then, cash out. And then, yung amount, max na natin. And then, yan. InstaPay. And then, mayroon lang siyang charge na 10 pesos. And then, next. And then, yung account name ng GCash natin. Ayan, guys. Nandito siya. Ayan. Okay. Yung account, lagay natin yung account name. Taba eh.
Malakas ang opinion namin.
Yung account name. Tsaka yung number ng GCash. 09917287110.
Or 991.
Okay, 0991-17287110. So, yung laman ng GCash na to guys is 40 pesos. Ayan. So, ita-transfer natin. So, next. Ayan. Confirmed. Complete facial recognition. Doon mo na siya im. Network timeout is like there's a problem, looks like there's a problem. Okay. Facial recognition guys. Confirm na yan. So ayan. After ng facial recognition,